Just yell when you need to stop.
Oh, okay. Yeah, these cables are good. There's no rust or nothing.
Oh, this freaks me out. My son is up here.
Are you there?
How high do you want me to go?
Are you checking the next spreader?
Come out and look. I don't know where I'm at.
You're almost, that's
That's the spreader. Check the connections there.
What, these things?
Yeah.
They look good.
Okay. You want to go higher? You want to go higher?
I mean, there's a little bit of surface rust, but they're good.
Okay. You ready to go up?
Oh, I'm going lower?
Yeah.
I don't think he wants to, babe. What does he need to go up for? Oh my goodness. No, I don't like it. Bring my son down.
Now, how are you now? You need to go higher, huh?
Good.
What?
Everything looks good.
Okay, you want to come down?
Or you want to go all the way to the top? Take a picture. You want to take
Let's go that way. You want me to check that thing?
if you want to.
No, you don't have to. Just come back down.
You want to go up or down?
Oh, we can go up.
Okay. Everyone stop, baby.
Right there. Okay.
How's it look up there?
I don't see any rust. It's good.
Okay, take your picture.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, it's going fast. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going. Is that too fast?
Nah, you're going slow.
Oh, thank God my son's safely down. Safely down.
Okay, we didn't get to see the SpaceX launch, but I launched him up the mast.